Welcome to this video on software engineering for mobile applications. In this segment, we will introduce you to the basics of software engineering and its importance in developing mobile applications. Software engineering is the process of designing, developing, testing, and maintaining software. It involves a systematic approach to software development, which ensures that the software is reliable, efficient, and meets the requirements of the users. Mobile applications have become an integral part of our lives, and their popularity is growing rapidly. With the increase in demand for mobile applications, it has become essential to develop high-quality applications that meet the needs of the users. In this video, we will discuss the various aspects of software engineering that are essential for developing mobile applications. We will cover topics such as software development lifecycle, mobile application architecture, user interface design, testing, and maintenance. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of the software engineering principles that are necessary for developing successful mobile applications. In this segment, we will discuss the software development lifecycle (SDLC) for mobile applications. SDLC is a process that is used to develop software from the initial concept to the final product. The SDLC for mobile applications consists of the following phases. 1. Planning. In this phase, the requirements for the mobile application are gathered, and a plan is created for the development process. 2. Design. In this phase, the architecture of the mobile application is designed, and the user interface is created. 3. Development. In this phase, the actual coding of the mobile application is done. 4. Testing. In this phase, the mobile application is tested to ensure that it meets the requirements and is free of bugs. 5. Deployment. In this phase, the mobile application is released to the public. 6. Maintenance. In this phase, the mobile application is maintained and updated to ensure that it continues to meet the needs of the users. Each phase of the SDLC is important and must be completed before moving on to the next phase. By following the SDLC, developers can ensure that the mobile application is developed efficiently and meets the needs of the users. In this segment, we will discuss the architecture of mobile applications. Mobile application architecture refers to the design and structure of the application, including the user interface, data storage, and communication with other systems. There are two main types of mobile application architecture: native and hybrid. Native architecture involves developing an application specifically for a particular platform, such as iOS or Android. This type of architecture provides the best performance and user experience, but requires separate development for each platform. Hybrid architecture involves developing an application that can run on multiple platforms using a single code base. This type of architecture is more cost-effective and easier to maintain, but may not provide the same level of performance as native architecture. In addition to the type of architecture, developers must also consider the user interface design, data storage, and communication with other systems. The user interface should be intuitive and easy to use, while the data storage should be secure and efficient. Communication with other systems, such as servers or databases, should be reliable and fast. By considering these factors, developers can create a mobile application architecture that meets the needs of the users and provides a positive user experience. In this segment, we will discuss the importance of user interface UI design for mobile applications. The UI is the visual and interactive part of the application that the user interacts with. A well-designed UI is essential for a successful mobile application. It should be intuitive, easy to use, and visually appealing. The UI should also be consistent across all screens of the application. There are several key elements of UI design that developers should consider when designing a mobile application. 1. Navigation. The navigation should be simple and easy to use, allowing the user to move between screens quickly and easily. 2. Layout. The layout should be visually appealing and easy to understand, with a clear hierarchy of information. 3. Color and typography. The color and typography should be consistent and visually appealing, with a clear contrast between text and background. 4. Feedback. The application should provide feedback to the user when an action is taken, such as a confirmation message or animation. 5. Accessibility. The application should be accessible to all users, including those with disabilities. By considering these elements, developers can create a UI that is easy to use and visually appealing, providing a positive user experience. In this final segment, we will discuss the importance of testing and maintenance for mobile applications. Testing and maintenance are essential for ensuring that the application is reliable, efficient, and meets the needs of the users. Testing should be done throughout the development process, from the initial design to the final product. This includes functional testing, performance testing, and user acceptance testing. Testing should also be done on different devices and platforms to ensure that the application works correctly on all devices. Maintenance is also important for ensuring that the application continues to meet the needs of the users. This includes fixing bugs, updating the application to work with new devices and platforms, and adding new features as needed. In addition to testing and maintenance, developers should also consider the security of the application. The application should be designed with security in mind, with measures in place to protect user data and prevent unauthorized access. By considering these factors, developers can create a mobile application that is reliable, efficient, and meets the needs of the users. Testing and maintenance are ongoing processes that should be done throughout the life of the application to ensure its continued success.